I am Inga, I am from Saute. Welcome! And we are Saute! Yeah. Why should you join us? Because we have 4 important values. We'll go to them now. First, we have family. We are really family orientated. We love one another. And we are together forever. That is love. Love Christ and He shall love you too. Third value is fellowship. We have awesome fellowship here. We come together, bond, and we have great teamwork and team building. So here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5. Fellowship! So together as one.
United we stand, divided we fall.
And that is Saute. Come join us and we'll give you a free DVD for $2.99. Okay? $2.99. Like us on Facebook, like, comment, do whatever. Tag me, because I like you.